Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change LinkedIn password. So first of all, go ahead to your app, so Google Play. Make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to my screen and go ahead to my browser. And if you want to change the LinkedIn password, go to your profile picture, settings, and then sign in security. And then under the sign in security tab, change password, enter your current password, and then type your new password and then retype it to confirm. So if you want to know more how it's done, just go ahead and click the me icon at the top, settings and privacy drop down. Under the sign in security, select change password, enter your current password, and then type your new password and then retype it again to confirm. Passwords are case sensitive and must at least 8 characters. A strong password should be a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. For security purposes, you may be prompted to enter a verification code sent to your phone or email address. And then select the check mark next to that required all devices to sign in with the new password if you would like to be automatically signed out of all devices where you logged in, and then click save password. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next